So today I'm gonna show you how to install Kdenlive video editor. So first you go to Chrome and then search for Kdenlive. No, not this one. Here. Okay. Once you here, click on download. It's gonna take you to download page. So for me, I'm gonna download on Windows. And then hit save. Okay, so I'm gonna post my video. I don't want you to wait like 20 minutes. I'll be back. Kdenlive 20.01.1. Double click on it. And it's gonna take a few minutes, guys. And then let's go to search Kdenlive. Hit open. So in this video I show you how to install the Kdenlive video editor. If you enjoy, please don't forget to hit subscribe, like and share. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching.